morning, ma'am. My name is Sarvini. I senior KG. I to say story. Greedy dog. Dog was one standing on a bridge over a river. He had a boat in his mouth. He looked into the water below. He saw his own image in the water. Thought that there was another dog. He boat in his mouth. Wanted to have the other boat to open his mouth to say bow wow. Boat fell from his mouth into the water. Dog went away sadly. Moral of the story: